Do you have crease lines in your fabric that you just can't get out by regular pressing? If so, then try making my homemade spray starch. Just give a little spray and a press of the iron, and voila! The crease is magically gone. Still not convinced you need this starch? Check out this block. It looks okay, but let's make this lay super flat. Now check out these seams on the back. It's as pretty as the front. If you would like to get amazing results like these too, make sure to click here or in the link below so that you'll be taken to my video where I teach you how to make my magic spray starch.